good morning, everybody. Coming up on this hour of San Antonio Living, we're getting you ready for summer. We are going to create a beautiful summer wreath using some bright flowers, some cool ribbon, and it is all coming up.
I love that, Shelley. And I'm Claudia, everyone. Speaking of summer, you're probably getting ready for those summer vacations. We have tips for all you travelers to make sure your vacation goes as smoothly as possible.
And today is your last chance to win a $100 American Express gift card. All you need to do is answer our Who Am I trivia question. So keep watching for your chance to win. It's all ahead. San Antonio Living starts now.
Making you laugh and all the things you love. San Antonio Living starts right now.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to San Antonio Living. I'm Shelley Miles, and you know, it is almost summertime, so why not spruce up the front door with a fun DIY wreath? Joining us this morning is Claire and Nicole with She's Crafty Too. It's good to see you.
Good morning.
All right, I'm excited for this because I want to bring a little summer to my front door, and this is an easy way to do it. We've got some pictures to share with you to show you what everything will look like when you're all done. You've got a lot of great ideas, and I love the brightness with all of these ideas.
Yes.
So much fun.
Right now, we're obviously coming into summer, and we've got a lot of the craft stores that are coming out with the vibrant colors of the pinks and the yellows. And who doesn't love a good serape print in Texas, especially in San Antonio?
Hola.
Hola.
Yeah.
So this will take you all the way into summer. You can bypass all the patriotic months if you want. And what's popular right now is a lot of the cactus and the succulents.
So that's a trend to focus in on. Cactuses and succulents, and you know why I love them? Because they look very real.
Yes.
These are probably the most real looking fake things I've seen in a while. So let's talk about what you need. Obviously, you brought in some fun little fake plants. You got some cool ribbon too.
Yes, we've got some amazing things here on the table. A lot of juiciness going on. I went ahead and got started ahead of time for you.
Okay.
So that, you know, it can kind of look like it's almost completed.
And what's yours on the back? The
This is actually a heart wire frame that I found at Michael's. So it's different than a traditional pine or obvious wreath. We connected this Hola sign from Michael's as well. And I connected this piece of block. You should normally cover it with moss. That way you don't have to go back and fix that. But moss is so messy and I didn't want to do that here. And then get a hot glue gun or just forget the hot glue gun if you don't want it, and start sticking these in wherever you want. So
that's smart, using the floral block to kind of help you position all of the little pieces. Okay.
Yes, and you know, all you do is just start sticking stuff in there, Shelley. So this is your time to shine.
Hook me up with some flowers.
I'll give you some flowers, and you just kind of stick them wherever you want.
So what did you do here? You bought like a big pile like this, and they always come connected, and I try to cut them with my regular people scissors.
No, you need some good.
What are you using?
These are my favorite from Walmart. I have a whole bunch of these.
And that will clip through the wire.
Yes, those are wire cutters. So you can put these, you know, wherever, stick them out different lengths. Have them coming out this way because we don't want to cover the Hola sign.
Okay.
You can also grab some more succulents over there if you want.
I'm gonna go like this, one over here. It makes it so much easier with the big floral block in there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. How am I doing so far?
You're doing great.
What about this guy? He's cute. I feel like he belongs in there somewhere.
Over here, somewhere if you want.
There we go.
You want to stick in a big one over here?
Oh, yes.
Stick that somewhere.
Okay.
That one has a thicker stem, so
you're gonna go right in here, little lady. Wait a minute.
It starts getting hard after a while.
Okay, we're gonna have to glue her down extra.
Yes, you can glue that in there. And
so the system is just make it explode, basically, right?
Big, make it very Texas, and I like to say be extra, like a guacamole.
Exactly, exactly.
If you want to put more flowers, go right ahead.
All right, hold on. I feel like maybe this could go somewhere. Like so. Oh, look, we need to pull his tag off.
Yeah,
there we
take
go.
off some tags.
Okay, give me a few more. I need
I'll
these
give
guys.
you some more.
Now, while we're putting this together, let's talk about your Creators Clubhouse, because this is somewhere where you can go to get some great ideas. If you need a little help like me, what are you doing with that?
So I actually am opening up my own brick and mortar. It's called Creators Clubhouse.
Okay.
So anybody like Shelly or any of you watching can definitely learn how to make wreaths, garlands, set up mantles, anything that is creative. I will have it for you. You can sign up for classes, have private parties, maybe a bachelorette party, a kid's party, and it's basically a place that anybody can come and get creative healing through designing things like this.
How fun!
So I've already had a few private classes to test it out and get marketing videos out there. So we're looking at opening sometime in June or July.
Very cool.
And it's located right here in San Antonio. So
Okay, did it.
we got a little spot here. So what we're gonna do is, I'm short on a little bit of pipe cleaner, but
Okay.
we're just going to imagine that we're just going to stick that here, and I'll just poke that somewhere, and then just pretend that that's done and it's hooked. If you want to hold it up and just kind of hold the bow in place to show people what you made.
Look at that, guys. It's a jungle, right? That looks so fun and festive. And again, it's very easy. You just got to make sure you get all the right pieces and you know how to do it. Thank you so much. Great idea. Guys, let me tell you how you can find Claire Nicole. Check her out because she's crafty too. Online at she'scrafty2too.net. You can find her on Facebook and Instagram, Claire Nicole. She's crafty too. And her phone number is there as well. Claudia, send it over to you.
Thank you, Shelly. Well, you're probably getting